Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are having a wonderful day today and that you are ready to do morning meeting and work on your IEP goals. So, boys and girls, today is January 8th, 2021, and we are going to start off with the Pledge of Allegiance. So if you can please stand up, put your right hand across your chest, and let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Thank you, boys and girls. You may be seated. So now we are going to go over the 7 days of the week.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. 7 days of the week from Preschool Learning Fun by the Learning Station. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to clap them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to stomp them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them proud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I'd like to sing again. 7 days are in a week. I'd like it one more time. 7 days are in a week. Please click.
Now we're going to go over the months of the year.
January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March and April, May and June and July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. These are the months of the year.
Okay, boys and girls, so awesome. So good morning. How are you all doing? So today, boys and girls, it is Friday, January 8th, 2021. And if today is Friday, what was yesterday? Can anybody let me know what was yesterday? Yes, awesome job, boys and girls. Yesterday was Thursday. And if today is Friday, what will tomorrow be? Yes, tomorrow will be Saturday. Awesome job, boys and girls. I am so excited that it is almost the weekend and we get to have a 2-day break. So now, boys and girls, we're going to go over the weather, and today's weather is cool/cold. It depends on the person. To me, I think it's a cool, and to other people, it might be really cold. However, it is also sunny, guys, because the sun comes out. It's not raining. It might be a little cloudy in the morning, or it's just that the sun has not rise. If you wake up really early, if you are a late bloomer, then you wake up when the sun is out and shining bright. For today's mood meter, I want to know how you all are feeling today, boys and girls. I will start off first. So today I am feeling happy, excited, joyful. I am in the orange yellow area. I am super happy that today is finally Friday, boys and girls, and that we get to relax and rest Saturday and Sunday. I am super excited. I love the weekends as much as I'm sure all of you all do too. So now that I have told you how I am feeling, I want you to tell me how you are feeling. I hope everybody is feeling in the yellow or green section. If you are, that is amazing. I am super happy you're feeling like that. If by any chance you are feeling in the red, that you are angry or mad or frustrated or worried, or that you are sad or tired, I hope your frown turns upside down by the end of the day, or at least by tomorrow, boys and girls. I would like everybody to be in the yellow and green. And when everybody is in the yellow and green, that makes Miss Gonzalez very happy. So hopefully everybody is feeling happy and excited and joyful, or just relaxed and calm. It is almost a weekend, boys and girls, so that is something to be happy about. So now, boys and girls, we're going to go over your schedule. So you should have had breakfast or having breakfast right now while watching morning meeting. After you are done, please do personal hygiene. Go to the restroom, brush your teeth, wash your hands with water and soap, so you are ready to begin your day. After you are done with personal hygiene, today is Friday, boys and girls. So today we do our IEP goals. We're going to finish our IEP goals today. And once you are done with your IEP goals and that you have submitted them into teams for a grade, you all get to have centers or playtime or free time, whatever you all like to call it. Relax, boys and girls. Have some fun. Watch some TV, read a book, play outside, hear some music. This time is just for you all to relax after working so hard on your IEP goals. After that, don't forget to do story time. Make sure you do the AR zone, the read out loud that we have here linked in Teams, so you all can listen to the story and answer the questions with us at the end. Once you are done, you may have lunch. I hope you have a delicious food to eat. And then after that, don't forget to have some exercise, boys and girls. Whether it's Go Noodle or dancing or playing hide and seek with your brothers or sisters, or just running around if you would like. anything that gets you up and moving, boys and girls. It is very, very important to be active. And now that we're talking about active, here are some activities for you all that you may like to do, and if not, it is okay. But here are just some ideas. You all can hula hoop, maybe play hopscotch, tag if you have siblings or someone to play a tag with. Maybe you might want to ride a bike or just go out for a walk. Anything, boys and girls, is good as long as you are moving. So this is the end of morning meeting, boys and girls. Please do not forget to submit a thumbs up in Teams and go to your IEP channel so you can start working on your goals. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to any of your teachers. We are always here to help. If you don't have any questions, please do not forget to submit your assignments onto Teams so we can give you a grade, because if we don't have a picture, we can't give you a grade. Other than that, I hope you have a good rest of your day and that you all get to enjoy and have a very happy weekend, boys and girls. We will see you back on Monday. Bye.